In this video, we're going to talk about some of the customer options in your FireFly POS system. This is under Configuration and Customers. On this screen, we can choose to set up user-defined fields for our customer records. Just type the name of your field here and click this box to activate it. If you'd like the field to print on the ticket, check that box as well. You'll also need to set that up in your printer ticket configuration. The next section lets you define which fields are required to add a customer. If you charge by zone, the zone is going to be selected for you. You might also want to select the name, the phone number. The address might be optional, as you may want to be able to enter pickup customers without an address. Okay. A few other options here related to customer comment and whether customers are approved for checks. If you take checks, you can default all customers to be approved or not approved, and then you can override individual customers. The order confirmation is a great feature. It allows us to send a receipt at the time of the order, and this is by email. A summary of their order when the order is dispatched to remind the customer that the driver is on their way. You can send both or neither. If you're going to be sending email receipts, you might want to put a footer message on it. This can include something like, thank you for your order, and your website, etc. Okay, the auto select feature is an important one for the lookup process. If you leave it as the default, it means the second that you look up a customer and the system finds one that matches, it'll automatically select that customer. If you set it to yes, you'll be required to select the customer from the resulting list. You might want to play around with this setting to see which one works best for you. The other setting that is an interesting flow issue for you to decide is this order type selection on the customer info screen. What this means is when you pick the order type, will the order finish or not? Let me show you. This is what the customer info screen looks like in the front end. On it, we've got these order types. Generally, once I've taken an order, if I press delivery, that will finish the order. But if I set this setting to no, then I can press delivery and it'll just mark this as a delivery ticket, but I'll have to press finish to actually finish the order. Again, it's a feature that you can choose what works best for your operation. Over here we've got our customer groups, which are a great charity type feature. It allows you to set up charitable groups, business groups, or other organizations that your customers might belong to. And that's it for our customer setup.